Have you been searching for a way to earn money online, but it feels like you're always sacrificing time with your family? Hi, I'm Delia. As a burnt out accountant and homeschooling mom, I know exactly how that feels. I was juggling full-time job, trying to keep it all together, and every day it felt like my son was paying the price. I wasn't the present mom he needed, and that broke my heart. And I've tried everything: MLMs, running an online boutique, even affiliate marketing, but none of it worked. Instead of making money, it felt like I was losing more time, energy, and moments I could never get back with my family. But then everything changed when I found this blueprint. I finally discovered a way to not only earn online, but to reclaim my life. Imagine this: an affordable program that teaches you digital marketing skills while mastering a 2-hour workday and earning $900 a day. And the best part, you don't need any tech skills. It's a fully automated, done-for-you sales process. Picture this: no more rushing through the mornings, missing bedtimes, or stressing over work deadlines. Working just 2 hours a day gave me the freedom to show up for my family. Now I'm there for the field trips, for the play dates, and the little moments that matter the most. Would working just 2 hours a day change your life? It did mine. And now we get to do life on our terms, and it feels incredible. Put blueprint in the comments, and I would absolutely love to get you the information.